Is eggplant good for diabetics? Eggplant is a low carbohydrate, low glycemic vegetable that is generally considered safe for people with diabetes to eat. It is a good source of fiber, vitamins and minerals and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Some of the vitamins found in eggplant include vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B1, vitamin B6, vitamin B9 and vitamin B3. Additionally, eggplant is a good source of minerals such as potassium, manganese and copper. So what are the pros and cons of using eggplant for people with diabetes? On the positive side, eggplant has a low glycemic index, contains relatively few carbohydrates and is a good source of fiber. All of these factors can help regulate blood sugar levels, making eggplant a great option for people with diabetes. However, it is important for individuals with diabetes to be mindful of portion size, as consuming too much can lead to elevated blood sugar levels. It is also important to note that some medications used to treat diabetes can interact with eggplant, so it is important to speak with your healthcare provider before adding it to your diet. There are many ways to incorporate eggplant into your diet. Some popular options include roasting, grilling, salting, stir-frying, baking and steaming. You can even make the classic Middle Eastern dip, baba garnish, by blending roasted eggplant with tahini, lemon juice, garlic and olive oil. So there you have it. Eggplant is a nutritious and delicious option for people with diabetes. As always, it is important to monitor portion size, blood sugar levels and consult with your healthcare provider. But otherwise, enjoy this versatile vegetable.